Hi everyone, Alex here. I hope you're doing great. Today, we're going to build a monthly planner using Planby PRO in less than 5 minutes. Sounds amazing, right? Imagine how much time you can save with such a powerful tool. So, what is Planby PRO? It's a React component designed for creating advanced timelines and schedules. All right, let's jump straight into it. I've got a fresh, empty React project open here, as you can see on the screen. First, let's head over to the documentation and open the Quick Start section. Now, let's scroll down to the monthly example and copy the code snippet provided there. We'll paste it directly into our application. Next step, let's import all the necessary hooks from Planby and set up our date range. In this example, I'll go from January 1st, 2024, all the way through December 31st, 2026. All right, I've prepared some very simple example data for our schedule. The structure is really straightforward. Planby is very flexible, so you can extend your data with any extra properties you need for your project. Images, custom labels, or anything else. This makes it super easy to start simple and then grow your schedule into something much more advanced whenever you need. Let's jump back to the docs for a moment, scroll right up to the top, and grab the main components. We'll paste those into our code as well. One more thing before we wrap it up. Let's adjust the dimensions of our schedule. We'll set the overall size, configure the sidebar width, and define the height of each item row. Let's save the changes and check it out in the browser. And there it is, our fully working monthly schedule layout running on localhost. Everything is functional. We can scroll smoothly and interact with the timeline. Right now, we've got placeholders for images, but we'll update those in the next step. Now for a little style. Let's add a box shadow so our schedule stands out visually on the page. And wow, that already looks amazing, doesn't it? For now, you can see how smooth and responsive the schedule feels, which makes for a great user experience. All right, now let's customize our schedule a little bit. This is going to be super easy and will only take a few seconds. First, let's add some custom elements to the sidebar so we can display text in a more stylish way. We'll head back to the documentation, open the Render Channel section, and scroll down to the code example. Let's copy that snippet and move into our project, inside our custom component called Provider Item. Now, we'll paste in the code, import the required components, and also bring in the title component. I'll give it a modern style so it looks nice and clean on our sidebar. Next, let's check the docs again and grab the code for rendering channels. We'll copy that function and paste it right into our project. And just like that, we've got a modern-looking sidebar in seconds. Wow! Now let's do the same thing for the schedule items. In the docs, let's open the Render Program section, scroll down, and copy the code snippet. Back in our project, we'll paste it into our custom component. We'll import all the necessary components from Planby, and then I'll add a custom image so it matches the overall design of our application. One last step. Let's grab the rendering function for programs from the documentation and paste it right into our code. Now let's see how it looks in the browser. And wow, this looks amazing, all in just a few seconds. And that's it. In just a few minutes, we've built a complete interactive planner with Planby PRO, customized with our own style. Make sure to give Planby PRO a try yourself. It's powerful, flexible, and really fun to work with. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more, and check out the links to Planby PRO down below.